Hey guys, it's Rainbow Runner, and welcome back to another Railfanning video. Well, I guess it's kind of a mini episode of Railfanning, but we're at Commonwealth Avenue here in Downtown Chandler, right by the downtown public library. But yeah, and right there is the CEMEX plant or whatever it's called, and we have some sort of a locomotive. I don't know what type of train it's called, but as it was pulling the hopper cars forward, as you can see, I don't know if it's going to go far enough forward to where it'll trigger the crossing gates here at Commonwealth. Okay, well actually, as you can see, the engine has just detached itself from the, yeah, so activate the gates. Okay, well actually, okay, I guess he was just getting out for a minute, but not exactly sure what he's doing, but or maybe he'll pull forward again. Okay, actually he's going back. So oh, I guess he must have triggered the switch track, so alright, well, yeah, I was coming in here to Downtown Chandler as I saw, like, there were hopper cars blocking the crossing for Frye Road, so that's kind of why I wanted to come here to see what was going on. But anyways, that's going to be it for now. Thanks for watching, and Rainbow Runner will be heading out. Bye.